So maybe you've been seeing the buzz recently of my brand new free affiliate system called the Daily Deposit System. Now, yes, I said free. I wanted to give as many people the ability to finally start earning reoccurring, instant, and even high ticket commissions with affiliate marketing. So at the time of recording, it's absolutely free. There's going to be a link directly below if you have yet to register for your free account inside of the Daily Deposit System. When you click that link below, you're going to get taken to a page that looks like this. You can see that you'll be able to unlock $6,000 plus in bonuses, okay, just for setting up your system, as you'll see in a second. Now, all you have to do is click here, okay, put in your first name, last name, email address, and then a password, okay. This is how you're going to be able to actually log into your account each day, see your stats, see your commissions. Go ahead, click register. Now you'll land on the dashboard here. Now myself and a small select test group have been promoting this system and the results have been incredible. It's incredibly high converting because it finally gives average everyday newbies the ability to plug into something that's working, that's simple, that's duplicatable. Maybe you've seen a similar system in the past, but it's overcomplicated. It has too many buttons, too many things. This is simplified. It's the bare minimum. Okay, if you know the 80-20 principle, it's the 20% that actually matters. And that's what this is. So, the results have been incredible. You can see these commissions coming in, but I really want to focus on how you can benefit. So again, once you're in this dashboard, every page is going to have an overview video. But in this video, I want to cut to the chase so you can just start making money as fast as possible with the Daily Deposit System. Click Continue Setup here. Now, you're going to get taken to the first step. The very first step is to activate these 7 income streams. There's 7. Now, I've painstakingly chosen these 7. All of them are incredibly valuable. All of them pay very well. Some of them are reoccurring monthly commissions when you refer people. Some of them are high ticket commissions. Some of them are instant paying. Okay, so all of these, you want to set up as many as you can. Now, if you can't afford to set up all of them right now, set up as many as you can and then start promoting it, generate income, and then come back and set up the rest. Okay, now on this page, first, you're going to see your affiliate link right there. This is your referral link. This will track sales to you. You want to keep this handy. Okay, you can either copy it right there or just put it in a notepad, save it somewhere. And then you want to set up these income streams. Now, all of these have a watch tutorial button, so you can click there and watch the tutorial on exactly how to sign up if you want and how to get your affiliate link, okay, for each of these. Because what you're going to do is you're going to go to step 1, sign up if you don't already have an account inside of these affiliate income streams. And then once you get your affiliate link, you want to come back and paste it in here, okay, and then save. And as you do that, you're going to see these streams, okay, so it's going to be like, 1 out of 7, 2 out of 7. Now, once you complete it, you'll see all streams complete. You also see how many people you've referred. Now, once you do that, again, you want to go through each of these because what's going to happen is once you sign up and save, now, when people go through your referral link here and they sign up and they start going through the process and they click to sign up for these affiliate programs, they're going to sign up under you. Your link will be there. Okay. Now, again, if you can't sign up for all of them right now, get as many as you can and still start promoting because you can take that money and reinvest. Bridge Pro allows you to launch high converting bridge pages in minutes. And you just want to go through and do that. Again, if you ever have confusion, watch these tutorials. Very simple stuff, okay? Also, to stay connected, you can go on YouTube, the Facebook group, or TikTok. Step 2 is the autoresponder. The autoresponder we recommend is GetResponse. It's very well received when it comes to making money online and things like that niche. So all you have to do is select GetResponse, okay? Follow these simple steps. And again, this tutorial walks you through over the shoulder how to set it up. Connect your GetResponse, okay? You'll put your API key down here, okay? And then once it's connected, you'll just be able to send people to this page here, your referral link. And when someone goes here to sign up and puts their email in, they'll automatically get added to your autoresponder sequence, following up with them even while you're sleeping. And that autoresponder sequence is designed to get people going back through the process, making you money. Get traffic is the next step. Okay, so once it's set up, you have the income streams, you have the autoresponder. The next step is getting traffic. And there's tons of different step-by-step video training on exactly how to get traffic to your daily deposit system. So there's Facebook free traffic, okay, and you can just copy any one of these to make a post on your Facebook profile. This will start getting leads, okay, for free. People on your Facebook profile, if you have any friends, will start commenting. And when they do ask you for more information, you want to send them this link, okay? Now, this will have your referral link automatically in there, okay? But you want to go ahead and do that. Udemy, okay, if you want to use solo ads, this video tells you exactly how to do that. This is the email we recommend. My Lead Gen Secret, okay, so that's one of the income streams. When you do that, you get 100 leads a day added to your account, and you can go in and broadcast one email a day to those people. So when you do that, this is the email that's working the best right now. Now, YouTube, okay, YouTube I've used for years to get tons of free traffic. If you want to do YouTube, do a review of this system, talk about the benefits, talk about how it's working for you, and then use one of these keywords here, okay? You can use all of them in tags. You can put them in your description. You could use this in a title, okay? So daily deposit system review, what you must know, right? Or don't join before watching, something like that to get people's attention. Traffic Authority allows you to just purchase a package of clicks, so you get a drip feed of clicks going to your affiliate link. And then Opus Clip. This allows you to use other people's YouTube videos legally. Okay, you'll see in that video how to do that. And then allow it to automatically, using AI, create tons of short form videos that you can post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Absolutely incredible, okay? And then bonuses. So in the daily deposit system, you'll actually see on your income stream page that when you join, okay, this welcome week timer will start counting down 7 days, okay? So you have 7 days to join the Legacy Builder at the highest level, that $900 level, so you can start to access the over $6,000 worth of bonuses. So make sure you do that before this hits zero. Otherwise, you'll miss out, okay? And once you do that, you want to go to step 4, claim bonuses, and then you can just click I've upgraded. Now, your sponsor will get a notification. They will verify that you did actually join at the $900 level, and they will mark you as verified. Basically, the way to do that is on the referral tab, you'll see all your referrals. So all of these referrals are here. You'll see the date, okay, their name, the email, and then right here, bonus claimed. So if there's a green arrow, that means they've claimed the bonus. So they're basically saying, look, I joined at the $900 level, right? So if they do that, you want to verify, and if they did, you want to click Mark Verified. Now, once they're verified on the bonus page, down here, there'll be a button appear, okay? And that will allow people to click and access all of these bonuses here, okay? Including 5 nights in a Cancun hotel, solo ad traffic training, done for you TikTok videos, etc. So this is absolutely incredible. There's a leaderboard tab, there's a referral tab, training, etc., support. Okay, your next step is to go to the link below, sign up for an account, get started, set up the income streams, and send traffic. Pick a few of the methods. You don't have to do all of them. Start getting clicks, and you're going to be blown away by the results you get. If you have any questions, comment them below, and I can't wait to see you on the leaderboard.